Hey everyone, Techify here. Summer's just around the corner and you know what that means. Time to level up your skills and boost that resume. Seagate, the data storage giant, is offering an incredible summer internship program for 2024. And trust me, you don't want to miss this. This is your chance to gain some real-world experience, work with cutting-edge tech and kickstart your career in the exciting world of data storage. This isn't your average coffee-fetching internship, guys. Seagate is all about giving you hands-on experience and real responsibilities. You'll be working alongside industry experts on projects that actually matter. Plus, you'll get a taste of what it's like to work at a global tech leader. Whether you're into software development, research, or anything in between, Seagate has an internship for you. But here's the kicker. This internship program is completely free. That's right, no fees, no hidden costs. Just an amazing opportunity to learn, grow, and make some serious connections. So if you're a fresher student looking for an internship that will set you apart from the crowd, keep reading. I'm about to break down everything you need to know about the Seagate Free Summer Internship Program 2024. Before we dive into the internship details, let's talk about Seagate. You might know them for their hard drives, and for good reason. These guys are pioneers in the data storage industry. For over 40 years, they've been pushing the boundaries of what's possible, developing cutting-edge technologies that power our digital world. From the smallest devices to massive data centers, Seagate's storage solutions are everywhere. But Seagate isn't just about hardware. They're heavily invested in research and development, constantly innovating to create the next generation of data storage solutions. That's where the Seagate Research Group comes in. The Seagate Research Group is where the magic happens. This team of brilliant minds is responsible for exploring new technologies, pushing the limits of data storage capacity and speed, and developing groundbreaking solutions for the future. As an intern at Seagate, you'll have the chance to work alongside these experts, contributing to real research projects that could shape the future of the industry. Imagine being part of a team that's developing faster, more efficient, and more sustainable data storage solutions. That's the kind of impact you can have as a Seagate intern. What you'll be doing as a Seagate intern. Seagate is all about giving you real responsibilities and hands-on experience. You'll be working on actual projects, contributing to the company's success from day one. If you're a coding whiz, you might develop software tools or test new applications. As a research intern, you'll collect, analyze, and interpret data. As a product development intern, you'll see the entire process from concept to launch. As a technical support intern, you'll help customers troubleshoot issues and ensure their satisfaction. You'll work alongside experienced professionals eager to mentor the next generation of tech innovators. Got what it takes? Seagate internship requirements. Okay, so you're pumped about the Seagate internship, but are you a good fit? Here's what they're looking for. First and foremost, you need to be a fresher student, meaning you're currently enrolled in a bachelor's or master's program. Seagate is particularly interested in students pursuing degrees in computer science, software engineering, electrical engineering, or related fields. Strong technical skills are a must. Think programming languages, data analysis tools, and a solid understanding of computer hardware and software. But it's not just about technical chops. Seagate is also looking for individuals who are... The tech world is constantly evolving, so you need to be adaptable and always willing to expand your knowledge. You'll be collaborating with others, so strong communication and interpersonal skills are essential. Seagate is all about innovation, which means facing and overcoming challenges head-on. Section 6. Level up your career in Pune. Now let's talk location. Seagate's Pune office is where you'll be spending your summer. Pune, known as the Oxford of the East, is a vibrant city with a rich history and a thriving tech scene. The Seagate Pune office itself is a modern and dynamic workplace designed to foster collaboration and creativity. You'll have access to state-of-the-art facilities, cutting-edge technology, and a supportive work environment that encourages you to learn and grow. But it's not all work and no play. Pune offers a fantastic quality of life with plenty of opportunities for recreation and entertainment. From exploring historical sites to enjoying delicious street food, you'll have plenty to keep you busy during your free time. Like, share and subscribe for more updates on amazing opportunities. See you next time.